Welcome back to the Philly Pilates Bootcamp channel here on YouTube. This is Pilates for Athletes, and this is your 10-minute express workout for a strong core. Let's get started. Let's get right to it. Let's get into the Pilates 100. So head and shoulders up off the mat. Arms long, straight ahead. Point your nose to your belly button. Extend your legs. And as we pump our arms, we're going to go here up and down. Okay? Just follow my lead. Don't worry about anything. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 99, 100. All right. So let's start off right away with the Pilates one leg stretch, 20 and 20. Let's go here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10 more. 11. All right. 12. Excellent. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. All right, let's get into side laying position. Let's come over here. Pick up bottom leg as you rest the top leg on top of the bottom leg. Pick up the bottom leg, double knee tucks, 20 reps. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Excellent job. Let's repeat the same movement on the other side. So we're going to come here. Okay, rest the top leg on top of the bottom leg. Pick up the bottom leg, double knee tucks, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Excellent job. Okay, let's get into crawling position to target glutes and lower back. We're going to go for donkey kick hydrant combo, 20 and 20. Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, more. 11. All right. 12. Excellent. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. All right. Same thing on the other side. Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, more. 11. All right. 12. All right. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. Excellent job. Let's lay flat on our backs again. So this time, double leg circles outward, 10 repetitions, immediately followed by leg circle inwards, 10 repetitions as well. Let's come here. 1, 2, double leg circles going outward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way, double leg circle inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So now we're going to pedal forward, but we're going to pedal forward with both legs in the same time. 10 reps forward, then 10 reps in reverse. Just follow along. I got you. Double pedal forward. 2. All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's reverse it, guys. Double forward pedal in reverse. 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, guys, let's put it all together. Let's go for high plank. 30 seconds. 30-second hold of the high plank, followed by a 30-second hold of the low plank. Let's go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And right into low plank. For 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job, guys. This was Pilates for Athletes, your 10-minute express workout for a stronger core. Thank you for following along, and until next time, peace.